Hello, welcome to my channel. Yeah, my name is Harshavardhan Reddy. So I'm a SAP consultant and I have 7 years of experience as a functional consultant. So yeah, I'm giving SAP online training. So end-to-end scenarios with real time. Yeah. So today I will explain about the stock transfer order process. So in the stock transfer order, there are two types of STO. So one is intra-company STO and intercompany STO. So in the intra-company STO, we transfer the stock from one plant to another plant within the same company code. So in the intercompany code, so we transfer the stock within the two different company codes from plant to plant. So those plants belongs to the two different company codes. Okay, so the legal entities are different. So in the intercompany HTOs, we will process the invoice at the end. Okay, so today we will see about the intercompany HTO. So two different company code stock transfer. Okay, so before going to uh, process, so first we have to create the HD settings and settings, configuration settings. Okay, so in the HD settings, in the real time, as a consultant, we are not responsible to create the HD settings, but for the practice purpose, we should know about each settings, background configurations. Okay, so first we go to create the HD settings. So then we will create the configuration settings. Okay. So first I'm going to create the HD settings. So first go to SPRO. Okay, let me log in once. So P678. 678. Okay. So first go to SPRO reference IMZ and go to the enterprise structure and go to the definition and first go to logistic general. We'll create the first go to the so division we will create after later creation of the sales organization. So first I go to create the sales organization. So go to the sales and distribution and just execute define copy delete sales organization. So double click on here. So here I will create a new sales organization with reference of the existing one. So I just select this 0001 and go to copy as. So here I will give new entry SA11. So we can give the description SA11. So just press enter and check the address. Yeah, and just press enter and save the data. So now the sales organization is created. So just go back and go to create the distribution channel. So just go to execute over here and go to the define distribution channel. And here I just go to create, copy as, I just give here SCA. Yeah, so here we can give the description over here and just press enter. Yeah, so already data is already existing, so I just give SB. So just press enter. Yeah, so the save the data. Yeah, so now go back and go to create the division. So just close the sales distribution and go to the logistic general and check define delete check division. So go to the division, and here I just go to yeah, click on copy as, or go to new entry. Simply we can create this division by giving the description. So division one. So I just press enter and save the data. Yeah. So now division is created. So now go to create the shipping point. So I just close the logistic general and go to the logistic execution, and here go to define copy delete check and shipping point. So here go to create the shipping point. So here I just select the shipping point existing one and go to the copy as and give a new shipping point. So I just give same name SA11 here. So press enter. So here we can keep this same details as existing one. So just uh, click on enter and check the address, and so just save the data. So in the real time, these HD settings will be taken care by the HD consultant. So here we can create the new entries with the reference of existing one. Okay. So just go back, and so the definition part is completed. Now go to assignment part in the enterprise structure. Just go to assignment and go to the sales and distribution. So here first go to assign sales organization to company code. So here the sales organization is SA11, which we created, and just press enter. So here which company code we have to give. So actually so I'm processing with this entries. So the supplying plant and receiving plant PHV1. So supplying company code is HRV1 and receiving company code PHV1. So here we need to assign the sales organization to the receiving company code. Okay, so just copy and go to the assignment, and here we have to give the receiving company code. So just press enter and save the data. So receiving plant company code we have uh, assigned to the sales organization. Just go back and go to the assign distribution channel to the sales organization. So here go to the new entries. So the sales organization is SA11 and the distribution channel is SB. So press enter and save the data and go back and go back. So here go to the next division to the sales organization. So go to the new entries, and the sales org is SA11 and the division is SB. So press enter and save the data. So just go back and go to the setup sales area. So just execute and go to the new entries. So we have to assign 3 entries: SA11 organization and distribution channel SB, and division is SB. So press enter and save the data. So go back. So now go to assign sales organization distribution channel to the plant. So just go execute. So here just new entries. So here SA11 distribution channel. And so here I will assign this sales organization to both plans, so supplying and receiving plans. Okay, so here I just give supplying plan and receiving plan. So HRV1 is the supplying plan. So again I go to S11SB and receiving plant PHV1. So press enter and save the data. Just go back. So now sales and distribution assignment is done. So this settings is enough right now. So just close this sales and distribution and go to the logistic execution assignment part. So here we need to assign shipping point to the plan. Just execute. So here we need to assign shipping point to our supplying plant. So I just go to search to find our supplying plant. So the supplying plant is HRV1. Just enter. Yeah, just double click on it. So now the HRV1. So here select this HRV1 plant and go to assign. So here the shipping points we can assign. So just go below. The shipping point is SCA11. So go to SCA. So select this SCA11 and press enter. So now the shipping point is assigned to the our supplying plant HRV1. Okay, so we can assign number of shipping points to the plants as per the business requirement in the real time. Okay, so just save the data. Okay, so now definition and assignment part is done in SD side. So there is one more two more settings we need to do. So OVL2 shipping point shipping condition assignment we need to do. So before going to OVL2 shipping condition assignment, we will create the customer master and yeah, material also we should create in both plants, supplying plant and receiving plant with the sales department views. Okay, so first we will create the customer. So just go to XD01. So it is the ECC system. So here I'm using this XD01. So in the S4HANA, we use the BP transaction. So where we get the vendor and the customer um, uh, records in same transaction BP. So there also, uh, yeah, we can create. So now go to press enter. So here account group, I select sold to body, this one standard one, and here company code. So the in the stock transfer order, we will create the customer for the receiving plant. So we will consider supplying plant, receiving plant as a customer. Okay, so here we have to give our company code is receiving plant company code. So receiving plant company code is PHV1. So here sales organization already we assigned for our receiving plant. So this is also receiving plant company code. So SB and SB, press enter. Yeah, so we just maintain the address. And Mechanical and the postal code. So press enter. Yeah. So here we need to maintain, yeah, address details. I maintained. So we must maintain the sales area data. So just go to the sales area data, click on the sales area data. So here, if we want, we can maintain the required data. So otherwise we can keep it as blank. So I just give any entry here. So yeah, let's go to the shipping, and here the delivery priority. Okay, shipping condition here. I'm giving the shipping condition as soon as possible. So in the next step in OVL2 step, so we will assign this shipping condition to our supplying plant. Okay. So this entries is enough. So the shipping condition is enough. And here we can give the normal. Okay. So press enter. So here delivering plant is not required. So this shipping condition is enough for our testing. So yeah, and go to the general data and just save the customer master. So we have to maintain this customer in the sales area details. Okay. So now the customer is created 301605. 605, and yeah, so the customer master is created. So now we have to create the material master. So material, so I already created the material in both plants. So in supplying plant and receiving plant, I just open those record. uh, yeah, so SE16N. So here MARC. Sorry, go back and give the material and just execute. So here I already created the material in both plants, HRV1 and PHV1. So I will open one plant material, and I will show you which details I have given in the sales area department views. So just go to MM03 and go to the select views and down. So here the sales org views, and just give. Okay. Yeah. So I already created the material, another sales organization. Okay. So I will extend this material to my new sales organization. So I just go to MM01. So give the material. So, so just go to MM01 again and give the material, press enter. Okay. Yeah. So now go to select views and go to sales org views and press enter. Yeah. So here the plant is. So now first I'm giving the supplying plant. So HRV1, and the sales org is SA11, and distribution channel is SB. So just press enter. So we will maintain the new sales organization details. Okay. So here we must maintain the tax code in the sales organization one view. So here I just taking 0 no tax and go to the sales org 2. The sales org 2, the item category group is normal, NORM. Okay, so here this detail is enough. So just go to the sales general and plant details. So here we must maintain the loading group and transport group. So here already uh, taken transport group 0001 and loading group 0001. So now the material is maintained in our new sales organization. So I just save it in the supplying plants. So now I go to maintain the same sales views in the receiving plant. So just to select views and select these three and org levels, and here we have to give the receiving plant and sales organization is SA11 and SB present. Okay, so here okay, sorry, SCA11 is already maintained. Okay, so we can check whether it is maintained or not. Okay, already maintained is transaction. I just go to check MM02, go to select views and sales or view and plant, receiving plant and say 11 and SB. So press enter. Okay, so just go to the sales 2. Yeah, normal is okay. Okay, now it is done. So yeah, just to save it. So we have to maintain this material in both plants with the new sales organization. So now I will just check in the supplying plant. So actually I have given the supplying plants and then it will be updated for it has been updated in receiving plant also. So I just go to select views and go to org levels, and here I give just check as supplying plan, so whether the details is fine or not. So sales view, yeah, it's done. Okay, so the now material is maintained in both plants. Okay, so now go to maintain the shipping condition assignment to the loading group. So here I have given the loading group is 0001. So go to OVL2 settings. So here go to the new entries. So the shipping condition is 01, which I given in the customer master, and the loading group is 0001, which is given in the material master. So the plant is HRV1. So the supplying plant we have to maintain. So here we just go to assign the shipping point. So already we have assigned this new shipping point to our supplying plant, right? So I just select this SA11 shipping point assignment and just save the record, save the data. Okay. So now HD settings is done, and now we need to maintain the MM settings. Okay. So just go to maintain the MM settings. So SPRO. So these settings as a SAP MM consultant, so we are responsible to configure these settings in the real time. Okay. So in the interview also we have to uh, tell about these configuration steps. Go to the material management and purchasing and purchase order and set up stock transfer order. So here the first step is define shipping data for plants. So the shipping data for plants. So here we need to maintain both plants, supplying plant and receiving plant. So I'm just going to maintain the supplying plant details. So here the supplying plant is HRV1, right? So I just give HRV1 in the position and select this plant and go to details. So here already I have given previous sales organization. So for this supplying plant, we need to maintain this sales org details only. So I'm just giving SA11 and distribution channel is SB and division is SB and press center. So this customer field is not required for the supplying plant. So it will be required for the receiving plant. So now just save the supplying plant data and again go to receiving plant. So go to position and PHV1 plant is the receiving plant and select and go to details. So here these details are not required, so we can keep it as blank for now. Okay, so I just go to maintain the customer. So here what is the customer which we created? So 301605. So this customer we have to maintain over here for the receiving plant. So just execute and save the data. Okay, so just go back and go back. Next, go to the create checking rule. So here, this checking rule will be used for checking the availability check. Okay, for the stock. So here I use the existing one only, 01 only. So just go back and define checking rule. So already I'm using existing one. So already it is assigned to some checking rules. So this is the availability check. So when we transfer the stock from the supplying plant, so at the time of STO creation, this availability check will be considered. Okay, so based on this settings. So just go back. So here I will take the checking rule is 01. Okay, existing one only I'm taking. So now go to the assign delivery type and checking rule. And here we need to assign the delivery type. So just go to, already I assigned, just go to the position. So the document type. So intercompany STOs, we use the document type NB type. Okay. For the intracompany STO, we use document type is UB. Okay. So now here it is intercompany STO, right? So I'm giving the NB and supplying plant. So the supplying plant is HRV1. So previously I have maintained some data, right? So here the setting is already there. So if it is not available and we need to maintain our supplying plant to delivery type. So it is very important. So in the interview also they will ask what is the delivery type for the intercompany STO. So it is NLCC and intracompany STO it is NL. Okay. So just go to replenishment delivery and cross company code. Okay, so here checking rule 01 I already assigned over here. Okay, so this details is enough over here and save the data. I already maintained, so now no need to maintain over here. Just go back and next go to the assign document type one step procedure. So one step procedure means at the time of goods movement, we can process with the two types, either one step process or two step process. So in the one step process, when we done the goods issue, immediately the goods receipt will be posted. Okay, the document will be posted. In the two step procedure, after posting the goods issue, the stock will be moved to the in transit, and then we have to post the goods receipt again. Okay, so we will test both the steps. So here I just go to already this entry also I already given, so I just go to position and give the HRV1, and the plant is supply receiving plant is PHV1. So first, it is not enabled means it is a two-step procedure. So if it is enabled means it is a one-step procedure. So first I am giving the one-step procedure. So let's see how the system behaves in one-step procedure. Okay. So if the entry is not available over here, then go to the new entries and maintain the supplying plant and receiving plant with the document type with the one-step or two-step. So now I am enabling, which means it is a one-step procedure. Okay, then let's see. So just to save the data. Okay, so now all the backend configurations done, SD settings and MM settings, and now we go to process the STO. So first go to ME21N. So for the intercompany STO, as I said, we have to take the standard PO NB type. So here we need to maintain the vendor. So vendor in the stock transfer order process, vendor as a supplying plant. So I just take the vendor 6793. I just give the vendor over here and press enter. Okay, so 6793 I'm taking the supplier. So then where is the settings? So system should consider this supplier is a supplying plant. So then just double click on here and we just go to the vendor master record. Okay, let me open that. Okay, I will give first here purchasing org. So PHV1 and 0001. So here PHV1. So these details, purchasing or company code. So this company code details we have to give supplying receiving plant company code details. Okay. So these details. So up to here only supplying plant. Okay. So from here the system will check for the receiving plant. So that's why I'm giving the receiving plant company code. So just double click on here, then let's see. Yeah, now it is open. I have given the purchasing organization, so that's why go to extras and add purchasing data. So here I have given the HRV1, which means the supplier is a treated as supplying plant. System consider this supplier is a supplying plant because of these settings. So it is a ECC system, right? So I have given this data in the vendor master record. In the S4 runner, so in the BP transaction, we can maintain this plant, okay, for this supplier. Okay, so just go back. Yeah, I have given these details for the receiving plant, and go to the material, so which we created, give the material. So I just select this material which we maintained in both plants. So press enter. So here I have to give the plant receiving plant and PHV1, press enter. So what is the quantity? I just give 5 quantity and press enter. Yeah. Now there is no issue. It is a yellow message, which means there is no error. So once we given all data in the STO, the shipping tab will be updated with our configuration settings. So if there is any data is mismatch, if any data is missing, okay, in the backend configurations, then the shipping data will not, shipping tab will not be updated in the STO, and it will throw the error. So and so settings is missing. So like that. So here every configuration is done perfectly, right? So here the shipping tab has been updated with the required details, configuration details. Okay. So now I just check the details, and now everything is fine. So just to save the purchase order, STO. So I just ME23 and open this STO. So we are following this intercompany STO with the delivery creation, right? So we just go to create the delivery against the STO. So VL10G, go to VL10G. Yeah. So here go to the purchase orders, and here the purchasing document I'm giving here, and here I'm putting the sales order. I just double click on equal to blank. Okay, so blank means if there is any sales orders, and the sales order data also be visible once I execute it. So that's why uh, I just giving equal to blank. So then the system consider only the purchasing orders. So I'm just giving the purchasing order which we created and just execute. So the delivery creation date falls between the PO STO delivery date. Okay, so then only the data will be appear. So just select this line and click on the background. So outbound delivery will be created in background. So once it is created, then the message will be visible over here. It is taking some time, so just let's wait. And so meanwhile, in the purchase order, I have not given the storage location, right? So the storage location we should give. So then only it will be updated in the outbound delivery against the stock transfer order. Yeah, so now it is green, means the outbound delivery is created. So then go to the STO, and then let's see whether it is updated or not in the STO. So just repress and go to the purchasing history, order history. So here outbound delivery is created. Okay, so now I have to post the goods issue. Okay, so goods issue means then the stock will be removed in the supplying plant and will be updated in the receiving plant. So now we are processing the one step procedure, right? So here the one step indicator is enabled. So then let's see after posting the goods issue what will happen. So I just go to VL0 to N and enter. So press enter. So here I need to give the storage location, otherwise it will throw the error. Okay. So from which storage location? Okay, HRV1. So before proceeding this post goods issue, so first we will check the stock in the supplying plant whether it is available or not. So I just go to MMBE to check the stock in the supplying plant. If there is no stock, then the goods issue will not be happen. So I just go to take the material and check the stock, and the plant is supplying plant HRV1. So just execute. So here unrestricted use is 26. So now we are processing the stock is 5 quantity. Okay. So now we will able to uh, post the goods issue. Okay. So now go to give the storage location over here. So if we give the storage location in STO, then this location would have been updated over here. So it is not updated because of I have not given in the STO. So then, yeah, now I have given. I just save and post goods issue. So just go to again and click on post goods issue. Okay, delivery has not yet been put away picked. So here we need to maintain the put away quantity. Yeah, picked quantity. How much quantity we are going to pick? 5 quantity. So if you are going to pick any less quantity, then you can give that much quantity. Okay, so now go to click on post goods issue. Okay, here again one more error is there. So posting only possible periods in 8 and 7 company code HRV1. So which means the periods are open for this company code is in 8 month. Okay, so now I will close and open for the current month. I just go to RV to check company code HRV1 supplying plant HRV1, and just press enter, and so the current period is 8. So I will close and open the new period, current period. I just go to MMPV and press enter. So here the company code is HRV1 and HRV1. So first we have to give the ninth. Okay. So just execute. Yeah. Company code is converted. So again, we have to give the 10th. One by one, we have to give and just go back, and the current period is 11. So I just execute. Now it is converted. Now go to post the goods issue again and post the goods issue. Yeah, PHV1 also it is in 8 months. So now I will go to close and open the new current period for the receiving plant also. I just PHV1 and 9 and execute, converted, go back, and here we give 10 and execute, go back, and here 11 and execute. Okay, now it is done, and go to post the goods issue again and goods issue. Okay, enter storage location. So here it is asking storage location again. So go to the item overview. Okay, storage location is already given. Yeah, so just go to post goods issue. Okay, enter storage location means I think it might be checking in the purchase STO order. So I just go to give the okay. I just come back from the delivery goods issue. So we have to maintain the storage location in both. So just save your data no and go to the HTO. Go to edit mode. So here the storage location is PHV1. So it is checking both the records. So HTO and delivery. So now go to delivery again and click on post goods issue. So the picked quantity I already given are okay. Picked quantity is 5 and post goods issue. Yeah. So now the delivery has been saved means the goods issue has been posted. I just go to the HTO and just repress this HTO and then let's see the goods receipt is posted or not. Okay. So it is a one-step procedure, right? So once I done the goods issue, immediately the goods receipt has been posted with the quantity. Now the stock has been transferred from the supplying plant to the receiving plant. So in the one-step procedure in the interview, regarding movement types, it is a very important question. So in the one-step procedure, the movement type will be updated 645 once posted the goods issue. So it is very important. Okay, 645. So because of these settings, one-step procedure, it is directly posted uh, into the receiving plan. Then let's see in the two-step procedure what will happen. So I just remove this indicator one step and just save it. So now I will create HTO again with the same data. Then let's see after goods issue whether the GR will be posted or not. So here already process is done, right? I just repress, then the stock is decreased 5 quantity. Now it is 21 in the supplying plant. If we check in a receiving plant, the stock is increased. Okay, so I just go to the ME21N. So I will create PO with the reference of previous one. I just press enter. So now I just give the quantity, okay, just 2 or anything. So I just give the 2 quantity and just check and save it. Now the HTO, new HTO is created. Yeah, I just copy this and create the outbound delivery. So just go to the VL10Z transaction and yeah, here we just give the purchasing document and go to the sales order. So here we just give equal to blank. So then go to the purchase order and just take. So this delivery date should be in between the HTO delivery date. Okay, so just execute. Yeah, just select and go to the background. Now the delivery will be created. Yeah, now it is done. I just go to repress the HTO and other document and the document. So I just go to item details, purchase order history. So here it is updated. So here also I have not given the storage location, right? I will maintain the storage location. Yeah, it is done. It is taken from the reference STO, right? So okay, no issue. We can create, we can post the goods issue against the outbound delivery. So I just go to the VL02N. VL02N and press enter. So here press enter. Okay, so you go to the picked quantity. So here I'm just giving the two quantity and click on post goods issue. The storage location is not defined for the, okay, I just go back and I just go to item overview. Yeah, here the storage location is not updated. Okay. Okay, sorry, actually it is the supplying plant storage location, right? So there is some HD settings is there to pick up the storage location automatically. So which is coming from the TVKOL table. Okay, so here, yeah, so in the purchase, I just go to the STO again. Sorry, actually this storage location is belongs to the receiving plant, right? So yeah, at the time of GR posting also, if there is no storage location, receiving storage location, it will throw the error at the time of goods issue postings. Okay, yeah. So this storage location we must maintain in the STO. It will be used for the GR postings. So the GR quantity will be updated in this receiving storage location. Okay, so here in the delivery, so I just open one there is one HD table. So the HD guys will create these settings to pick the storage location automatically. I just open the table to show you. So TVKOL is execute, sorry. So here the TVKOL table storage location determination of the deliveries. Okay, so if we maintained this settings, shipping point and plant with the shipping condition, then the storage location. So at the time of delivery creation, this storage location, supplying plant storage location will be updated from that configuration. Okay, so that is table is TVKOL. Okay, so the SD consultants uh, do those settings. Okay, so we just remember from which table though these entries are being updated automatically. Okay, here we can give the manually. So here the supplying plant HRV1. Okay, so just click on post goods issue. Okay, now it is done. Just go to the HTO and repress this. Okay, so it is a two-step, right? So the GR is not been posted. Okay, so the moment type is also updated. It is 643. So for the two-step procedure, the moment type, STO moment type is 643. So it is very important. So in the single step procedure, the moment type is 645. Okay, so in the two-step procedure, once we done the goods issue, the stock will be updated in the receiving plant in transit stock. So receiving plant in transit stock is MB5T and press enter. And here the receiving plant is PHV1, right? So execute. And here the quantity is updated in transit stock. So the two quantity is updated. Okay, so once we post the goods receipt, then the stock will be moved from in transit stock to the receiving plant. So already the stock has been decreased in the supplying plant. So we can check that MMBE also. We just go to the MMBE. Already the stock is decreased in the supplying plant, that is updated in the in transit stock. So HRV1, and just execute. And here already the stock is decreased, two stock is decreased. Okay, so I will post the goods receipt for this STO. So just go to, yeah, against the outbound delivery. So here let's this screen is open, and just go to MyGo and execute. So here the goods receipt against outbound delivery or purchase order. So we can give any. Then let's try with purchase order. So purchase order means STO. Then let's see whether it will take or not. So just execute. Okay. So we can give. Actually, it is not okay. Purchase order. So just give the outbound delivery. Okay, goods receipt. Here we give the outbound delivery, and take this outbound delivery from the STO. Just take this and go to goods receipt, and here the document number, and press enter. Now it is updated. Okay, so we have to do the goods receipt against the outbound delivery. So just item okay and check the quantity to quantity. Okay, where means it is the receiving plant. Okay, we are doing the goods receipt in the receiving plant. Okay, so just click on check button and post it. So once we post the goods receipt, then the in transit stock will be decrease, and receiving plant stock will be increased. So we just go to check the in transit stock whether it is removed or not. So just execute again, and now there is no data, means the stock is updated in the receiving plant. We just go execute, and yeah, so the receiving plant, and just execute. So now the stock is updated. We just go to check the material movements. Also right click on here and go to the material movements. So we can check the data. Yeah, 5 quantity and 2 quantity. So today we have posted, right? So it is in one step procedure, and it is 2-step procedure. Okay, so now the stock is updated in the receiving plant. So next step is invoice creation. So up to here, uh, um, now it is fine. The process is good. So every settings is fine. So now, yeah. So these movement types are very important. You can we need to remember those movement types. Okay. Yeah. So now the scenario is completed. So finally we can check the account keys. So in the 2-step procedure, the account keys will be supplying plant. So the stock inventory account key BS6 is minus debited, and cost of goods sold GBB VAX is plus debited. So the receiving plant, and in the receiving plant BS6 is plus, the stock inventory GL account is plus debited, and GRIR clearing account WRX is minus, okay, credited. So these are the account keys will be triggered in the intercompany STO. Okay. if you feel good, then please share and like and comment. So if you have any doubts, or if you face any, and you can make a comment. So yeah, thank you everyone. Bye bye.